So what happens if, for example, we comment out this incrementing that happens in the while loop so that I is always going to be less than 5? Well, this will cause an infinite loop in this while statement because it will never break out of it. What stops it from running eventually is that PHP has a configuration variable inside of its settings file that says how long it will let a script run before it stops it. I'm going to go ahead and open up the Acquia Dev Desktop control panel, and let's go to Settings. In the tabs, go ahead and click on Config, and what we want to edit is this PHP configuration file. The file is called php.ini, and notice that we have 2 of them. This is because the Dev Desktop comes with PHP 5.2 and PHP 5.3. We're going to open up the php.ini file, php.ini file, for the PHP version that we're using by default, which is 5.2. So let's go ahead and make sure that that's selected and click Edit. This will open up your PHP.ini file. Now, if you're not using the Dev Desktop stack and you're using something else like WAMP or MAMP or XAMPP, your php.ini file will be in a different location. And you should do a quick search in Google to see where you can expect to find it. Now we're going to look in this file for a phrase called max execution time. So I'm going to press find and look for max execution. And we see here that our max execution time equals 300. And notice that it says here maximum execution time of each script in seconds. So if you find yourself getting stuck in a loop often, you may want to reduce this number down so that PHP will stop the script sooner. Now in Apache, we can also run multiple web pages at the same time. So if you fix the while loop, you can also open up the test.php file in a separate tab or a separate browser in order to continue testing while the original loop gets to the point where it hits the max execution time. One final solution to stopping a runaway script is by restarting Apache altogether. This will kill all of the processes that are running. So you can do this with Dev Desktop by simply restarting it, and most stack installers will have some kind of tool to be able to stop and restart Apache. Now, if you change any value in this php.ini file, you'll need to also restart Apache in order to make the changes take effect. I'm going to go ahead and close this file, and I'm going to jump back to the editor.